How to change age on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your age on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change the age on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Tap the three lines option here and then go to the option called settings and privacy. Go to account and now go to account information. So now go to date of birth. From here, just make sure to select a date of birth that would make you whatever age you prefer. So it depends upon the date of birth. Make sure to minus today's year with the date of birth that you would like to, and that is the year that you would like to set. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.